Hey guys, this is Diego Gonzalez from honestpaint.com, and I'm here today with some new Fortnite design stencils. These are actually one-of-a-kind, unique stencils. And I know a lot of you guys, if you guys do hats, like these trucker hats, or any kind of hats or any apparel and stuff, Fortnite's huge. You make a ton of money, doing some Fortnite stuff. So here's some custom Fortnite designs I made for airbrushers, stencil makers, spray painting artists, any of you guys too. And I got the Fortnite Battle Royale, that's huge. I got 99 Problems, Fortnite, got all the characters cut out in great, like intricate detail. And these things are super durable. I like them, like hard plastic. Got them dropping in there too. And here are the bigger ones for t-shirts and stuff like that. So I just want to show you guys the stencils I have for Fortnite. They're all cut out really nice and quick, easy to make, and they go on really well here. So if you just want to kind of like put one, bam, it's pretty much done. And got all the stencils right here. Got a cool one. You can make them bigger, I can make them smaller, whatever. So super great, man. I just want to show you guys and give you some new designs and help you guys make some money. So if you want any of these cool stencils, whatever, hit me up, DM me. Or just leave me a message or whatever, and it's mindlesspaint.com or mindlesspaint@gmail.com, and I'll hook you guys up. And here's a new series of stencils. I can't wait to do them. I have a big event today, and I'm gonna actually start airbrushing them, and I'll try to film some stuff if I got time. But just want to show you guys real fast before I head out. Drop a link, subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know what you guys think about the new stencils. And thanks for watching. All right, later.